FCNDD FDD party. However, in some areas seen as opposition strongholds, there was low voter turnout reported. I should note, though, that the opposition had announced earlier that it would boycott these parliamentary elections. There were reports of a grenade thrown near one of the polling stations in the country. No casualties were reported in that incident. Now, the African Union, that's the intergovernmental body here on the continent, usually would send in observers in these kind of elections, but in this case, they did not send a single observer. The African Union had called for these elections to be postponed, as did a number of other international bodies. Burundi's presidential spokesperson, Gervais Abayeho, spoke to the BBC about this issue, and this is part of what he had to say.
The elections we are organized in Burundi and is for Burundians. There are other observer missions who are here. We have the UN Observer Mission, MENIB in its acronym. We have the AWEPA, the European Parliamentarians who are here. This process is not going on in isolation at all. There are several people who are following the process and who will tell the world how the process went.
And next in Uganda, Michael, who's the Muslim cleric that's been shot?
Yes, this is an incident you're referring to that took place in the outskirts of the Ugandan capital, Kampala, this week. That has seemed to contribute to a seemingly growing concern amongst the Muslim community in Uganda. The name of the leader is Sheikh Ibrahim Hassan Kiria, and he was shot dead on Tuesday night this week. He becomes the fourth Muslim community leader to be killed in Uganda over the past several months. A number of months ago that Sheikh Kira himself appeared on a local Ugandan television station and said he thought his name was on an apparent assassination hit list and indicated that he had asked for police protection. Thousands of mourners turned up at Sheikh Kiria's funeral this week. One of those in the and that's the Inspector General of Police in Uganda. At the moment, no one has yet been convicted for the killings of these Muslim leaders. Inspector General Kayihura spoke to the BBC at the funeral, and this is part of what he had to say.
I love the way you say, Michael, that an Oscar-winning actress has got involved in the anti-poaching message. If we're talking about Kenya, there is only one Oscar-winning actress. You may as well say the Oscar-winning actress, Lupita Nyong'o.
I'll say it. The Oscar-winning actress Lupita Nyong'o was back home in Kenya this week, and she visited some areas of the country as part of her mission, as indicated there, to create awareness of poaching in the country. You know, poaching has been an issue of continued concern here in Kenya. Just to give you a perspective into this, I pulled up a press release, and I'll just bring that here, that had been sent to me early in February this year by the Kenya Wildlife Service. That's the state body mandated to manage the country's wildlife. Now, if you'll allow me to take a moment and read a couple of sentences from the press release. It reads, available evidence indicates that the years 2011, 2012, and 2013 witnessed the highest levels of poaching since the poaching crisis of the 1980s. For example, Kenya lost 47 elephants and 5 rhinos to poaching in 2007 as compared to 384 and 30 in the year 2012, and 302 elephants and 59 rhinos in the year 2013, respectively. Well, Dr. Mbaki Peter now, during her visit to the country this past week, she spoke to the BBC about her aim to create awareness about poaching, and this is what she had to say.
Elephants are one of our supplies. I mean, we have their image on our money. But I know that this is something that is a great source of pride to Kenyans, and the fact that this is a global heritage, but it is in our care. You know, so I think it's really important for us, for the sake of the rest of the world, to ensure that elephants continue to walk this earth.
And Michael, don't you just love the way that the French colonized Africa? Very different from the way the British colonized Africa. You know, the French gave us not just their francophone, but also some couscous, and of course, their love of cycling.
I think you're referring to Rwanda, actually. And this past week, there was quite a
Rwanda's Belgium.
influence is there as well, you might say. Perhaps.
Maybe it's France. Maybe it is France. Anyway, yeah, go on. French does look different. Anyway, is there any difference?
I don't know what to say on that, but all I can say is that these cycling championships that were held in Rwanda did create quite a bit of chat here in the region. And just to quote one of the newspapers from Rwanda, and I quote here, remarkable performances in a display of talent, hard work, and determination. One name to note, Joseph Alleluia. He was apparently the talk of the town after winning the under-23 category and also finishing second in the general classification. Alleluia rides for the local team amidst Afro-Tips and Twister. But I should say it seems cycling has created a buzz, not only in the region, but it seems maybe even perhaps Hollywood. I was reading an article recently that Hollywood might be thinking about doing a movie about Jack Boyer. I don't know if you remember him, Captain Back. He is the former American professional cyclist who has since 2007 spent quite a bit of time in Rwanda running Team Rwanda, and that's a cycling team for Rwandan cyclists. A lot of cycling today, Dr. I think I should say, Dr. though, if they are looking for a sports commentator for that movie, should I put in a quick word for you?
Hallelujah.
His name is Alleluia Joseph. That's right. Under 23.
It's Lenny Cohen's favourite cyclist, isn't it? Because each time his name is mentioned, the sales of Lenny Cohen's records goes up. Anyway, Michael, it's always a pleasure, you know that. Thanks so much. Michael Kaloki there in Nairobi. Now, you know that here on Up All Night, we've been following the progress of an aeroplane powered just by the sun. The plane's called Solar Impulse. Well, on Friday afternoon, UK time, Solar Impulse landed in Hawaii after making an historic 8,000-kilometer flight across the Pacific from Japan. There were cheers at Mission Control in Monaco as pilot Andre Borschberg brought the plane down at Kaleloa Airport. Indeed, and shortly after the landing, Peter Frey, who was part of the team which designed the plane, couldn't hide his excitement.